Good evening, all of you. Welcome back to the maths online class. And here we are going to study the chapter number brainstorming. Okay, this is the chapter number 5 actually. Chapter number 5. No problem, I can write down anywhere. This is our chapter number 5 brainstorming, and this is for the class 8th students. Okay, right now see, I have told you so many things. In my last lecture actually we have discussed about the divisibility rule, and after that we have solved so many questions also which are based on the divisibility rule, and some kind of the question like multiple of 3, multiple of 9, divisible by 9, divisible any of the number will be given to you and you have to check it either it is divisible by 3, 9 or 11. So actually you have to focus only on the 3 divisibility. One is the divisibility for 3, divisibility by 9, divisibility for 11. You have to read whole soul, no problem. But actually generally the question which are generally asked in the exam, it is totally based upon the any kind of the missing digits will be given to you, and you have to find out some of the values, and either it is related to 3, 9 or 11 especially. Okay, so you have to practice more and more on 3, 9 and 11. Right now see, this is the another category question. See here, what is the question here? Practice exercise. Again, no theory is required for it. Directly I will explain you what to do, how to do, and how to use your brain immediately, and directly we will solve. Okay, see here, for the hidden digits. Hidden means छिपा हुआ. Hidden means छिपा हुआ means there are some kind of the missing digits and whose value we have to identify, and it will be for the different operations. You can say either it is for the addition, either it is for the subtraction, either it is for the multiplication, and I also for the division. So see, one by one we will solve some kind of the question, and so many question actually we have to solve one by one. We will see how the things moving on. See, first is the addition. Addition we are knowing it right now. See how much easier question it is. Actually such kind of the question you have faced in this kind of the addition and subtraction. These are the very easiest question. Sometimes whenever this kind of the question it is, you can see it. Suppose this kind of the questions it is asked in the board exam, so it is going to be bonus for you. Why? Because it is very easiest problem. Anybody can solve it. Look here. For example, 5 and 2. First question I am going to solve it one by one. See here. We are not dealing right now. We are going on the question number first. Concentrate whole soul only on the question number first. Don't see here and there. Right now see 5, 2, star. This is the star. This is the for the hidden digits. 5 and 2, after that star, and after that 0. So, and this is the addition operation. So only I have to use my brain. 5 plus 2 meaning is that 7. 7 plus what should give me 0. 0 meaning is that it is going to be 10, because already we have reached till 7. 5 plus 2 7, and 7 after 8 9 10 11 12. Some next digit has to come, meaning is that this 0 is for the 10. So what I should write down here to make it 10? Definitely 3. Definitely what is the digit that will come here? 3. And after that it is going to be 10. See here. Again check. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. And after 10, definitely one carry is also generated here. Same like that. One carry will be here. 5 plus 2 7, 3 10. 10 after that one carry is already going to be here. Right now again check. 8 plus 1 carry 9. Plus 1 is also here 10. Again it is 0. Perfectly match. Again it is 0. Again 10. After that again one carry will be here. Is it not? Yes. After the whenever we are crossing 9, after when we are reaching towards the 2 digits, means 9 after either it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever the number, according to that carry should be always generated. So again 1 will be here. Again check. 8 plus 1 carry 9. 9 plus 9 18. 9 plus 9 18. How much we should add? It will give me 21. So already we have 18. So 18 after that 19, 20, 21. Meaning is that again 3 will be here. So what is the hidden digits here? Hidden digits means star equal to 3. That is the answer. Actually I have solved here only, but what should you do? You should write down the question, and after that again you should solve like me. So this is all about the question. Very easy it was. Okay. No need to explain more. Right now see the subtraction operation. Come to the second question. What is the second question? Again see, only one star is there, only one star is there, only meaning is that only one missing digit. 3 minus 1 2, we are knowing it, no problem. After that star minus 8 and it will give me 3. What is the process? Star minus 8 means in place of the star only one digit will be there. In place of the star only I have to write down one digit, either it will be 1 2 3 4 5 4, whatever it will be. So from the sum digit we have to subtract 8, and what we have to get? We have to get 3. Meaning is that whatever the digit that will come in place of the star, it is bigger than 8. It is bigger than 8. From in the because in the subtraction operation what happens? From the bigger digits only the lower digits have to be subtracted. From the bigger digit only the lower digits have to be subtracted. So it is definitely, it is going to be 1. 1 means 11, because the 11 minus 8 will give you 3. Suppose you are not knowing, so I am giving you one trick also. Whatever the things which are written here and there means 8, what from which value we have to subtract 8, so that we have to get 3 here. So nothing, the result and the second one digits you have to add. So 8 plus 3 will give you 11, and for the 11 you have to write down here 1. Right now you can check the things also. 11 minus 8 will give you 3, and if you are taking borrow because you are making it 11, so it is going to be 6. 6 minus 2 4. According to that again 1 is going to be answer. Very easy, है ना? No need to explain more. See the third question, that is for the multiplication. Again 68 multiply by some digit x, and what is the result? 408. So again here I can solve it by so many ways. First method is the direct method. See here, directly you can think 408. Right now start thinking. A single digit is there, no problem. Either it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, whatever it may be. And when we are multiplying with 8, so this unit digit is very important. The role of the unit digit is very important here. Why? Because we have to just think, if we are, and only we have to select this unit digit. Means 8 into what will give me again 8 here. This is the question. This is the only solution. Only you have to think about for this particular thing. Here the unit digit 8, result, this is the result. And here the, again I am not considering 6 here, because only I have to put the logic only for this unit digit. Because first whatever the digit that I am going to write down here, definitely I will multiply it with the 8. So 8 into what digit will give me again 8 at the unit place. At the unit place. We are talking about the unit place only. So look here. For example, 8 4 ja 32. What is the unit digit? 2. No. 8 5 ja 40. Unit digit 0. 8 6 ja 48. Unit digit 8. Unit digit 8. Meaning is that 8 6 ja 48. Unit digit 8. So in this particular way, I can find out. I should check it for the right now 6, because 6 8 ja 48. Right now I am going to check. 6 8 ja 48. 4 on carry. 6 8 ja 48. 4 on carry. 6 6 ja 36. After that plus 4 40. Again you should match the result. Either it is same, yes, 408 408. Meaning is that the hidden digit x should be equal to 6. That is the answer. Nothing else. Only you have to just apply the logic what kind of the digit it will be, and all the things it is related to the unit digit place. Means whatever the digits that you are taking into your consideration, it depends upon the result unit place digit, and whatever the means whatever the divisor will be there, dividend will be there, that unit place digit. Right now see, so this is the solution for it. 6 will be here in place of the x. Actually 6 will be here. Right now see, this is the another question. Question number 4. 763. Again we have to multiply by 3x, and again we have to consider the unit place digit. Means x into what will give me 3. X into what will give me 3. Means sorry, x into what, and what is the result unit place digit? 2. Again so look here. This is the 3. This is the, again I have to write down what is the unit place digit. 763 into x, okay, is equal to what I have to get at the unit place digit. I have to get the 2. So what should I do? Let me, you are going to be confused. Only I am considering the unit place digit. Unit place digit. So that 3 into x should be equal to 2. By what particular digit I should multiply? What should be the value of x so that it is giving me 2 here? So see, 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 2 is here, yes, and actually I want 2. There are so many other options I can check. 3, 5, suppose first I have to check it with the 4. If 4 is not my answer, so I will check it by 3, 5, 15. So 5 is the unit place digit. 3, 6, 18. So 8 will be the unit place digit. In this way I can check it. So I have to check it by the 4. Why? Because whenever I am multiplying 4 with the 3, 4, 3, 12. So definitely 2. There is a possibility for coming of 2 here. So what should I do right now? Nothing. I have to go for 8. Right now see. 763 into, suppose I am going to check it by the trial, and this is known as the trial and error method. Trial and error method. And what we do here generally, actually we think some kind of the digits. We have to think some kind of the digits according to the possibility, and we have to check it. Either the result is same, so definitely it is the answer. If the result is not same, so again we will consider some of the digits. Okay, every digits we need not to check. We have to check it according to the possibility which I have told you. So unit digit is going to be very much important here. X into 3, what it will give me? 2 here. So that is going to be 4. 4, 3, 12. Right now see, 4, 3, 12. That 2, same, carry 1. 4, 6, 24. 4, 6, 24 plus carry 1, 25. Again carry is 2. 4, 7, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. One cross will be here, and right now this is the turn of multiplying 3 with the all the digits. 3, 3, 9. No carry. 3, 6, 18. Carry 1. 3, 7, 21. Plus 1, 22. Addition of both the number 2. 9 plus 5, 15. Sorry, 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1, 8, 1, 9. 3, 2, 5, 2, 2. Match the result 25942, 25942. So what is the answer here? According to this, x is equal to 4. So this is going to be my answer. Okay. Thank you so much. Next time I will solve some other question for you.